ready these students, I'll be announcing the names. Also, I would like to request parents of these kids to be ready to receive awards along with their kids.
Names of the awardees are Pre-K Shreyan Desai, Shakti Chauhan, Keshav Dhanda, from K1 Drisha Patel, Ishita Sharma, Harvi Patel, from K2 Prayan Kotak, Anshi Patel, Rudra Dumania, from grade 1 Divyaraj Singh Rathod, Tripti Parmar, Kanishka Revani, from grade 2 Navya Darji, Kian Patel, Durvi Nayak.
We are repeating names again. Pre-K Shreyan Desai, Shakti Chauhan, Krishiv Dhanda, K1 Drisha Patel, Ishita Sharma, Harvi Patel, K2 Pareen Kotak, Ashni Patel, Rudra Dhumania, Grade 1 Divyaraj Singh Rathod, Trupti Parmar, Kanishka Revani, Grade 2 Navya Darji, Kian Patel and Dhruvi Nayak. We believe that without encouragement, the entire teaching learning process is incomplete. Hence, we have also organized award giving ceremony to acknowledge the efforts of students who have performed well in academics as well as co-curricular activities and proved themselves to be the best.
So, ladies and gentlemen, to facilitate the award ceremony, I would like to call our Managing Trustee, Dr. Jigar Patel Ma'am, to come on stage and distribute the award for Best Student of the Year 23-24.
From Pre-K, first is Shreyan Desai. Second is Shakti Chauhan. Third is Krishiv Dhanda.
For K1, I would like to call Mrs. Vinita Chetar Ma'am, the principal of Dayavati Primary School, VIP campus. Please ma'am come on stage and give away the awards.
Awards for K1. First is Drisha Patel. Second is Ishita Sharma. Third is Harvi Patel.
Now for K2, I would like to call our senior coordinator of VIP Nicole School, Mrs. Amrita ma'am, to come on stage and give away the awards.
From K2, first is Pareen Kotak. First is Pareen Kotak. Second is Asni Patel. Third is Rudra Dumania.
Now for grade first, I would like to call our founder chairman, Mr. Babulal Patel sir, to come on stage and give away the award.
From grade 1.
Wait.
From grade 1, first is Divyaraj Rathod. Second is Trupti Parmar.
Okay, for this I would like to call Geeta ma'am to please come on stage and give away the awards.
And third is Kanishka Revani.
For grade 2, I would like to call Girish sir, please come on stage and give away the award.
So for grade 2, first is Navya Darji. Second is Kian Patel. Third is Dhruvi Nayak. Congratulations awardees. Give them a huge round of applause, please.
Third round of the award for grade 7 to grade 10.
इधर मत घूमो नहीं यार.
Now for this, I would like to call our founder chairman, Mr. Babulal Patel sir. Please come on stage and give away the awards.
From grade 7, first is Shriyanshi Srivastav. Shriyanshi Srivastav. Second is Dishika.
Third, Nishan Goswami. Okay, till then from grade 8, Palt Asia.
From grade 8, Palthasia. Second, Bhavya Gurnani. Bhavya Gurnani. Third is Vibhu Pathak.
Now for grade 9, I would like to call our respected principal sir, Mr. Nilesh Badoria. Please come on the stage and give away the awards.
From grade 9, first is Diya Thakkar. Second is Srishti Dubey. And third is Dhara Dharajia. From grade 10, first is Riddhi Nakrani. Second is Aditya Chovatia. And third is Vedant Bhadoria. As we focus on overall growth and development of the child, we have the year-round competitions covering academics, house boards, discipline, etc. So now it's time to declare the House of the Year Award. Okay, Shriyanshi Srivastav is here to receive their award. grade 7. And Ishika from grade 7. Now for the House of the Year award. This year the House of the Year award goes to Sudarshan House. So I would like to call in charge teachers, house prefects to come on stage and receive award from principal sir. We are proud to announce a student who secured highest percentage in 10th board last year, Yamini Rawat, who secured 95% and stood first in our school. Principal sir kindly give away the award to Yamini Rawat. Yamini. And the student who secured second highest percentage in board exam was Hetri Mehta, who scored 90%. Congratulations to all the awardees and their parents. Give them big round of applause.
And I would उनके प्यार और ब्लेसिंग से ही मुझे मिला है. And I would also like to thank my friends who were really helpful during my journey. And last but not the least, I would also like to thank God. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you.
I would like to thank principal sir जिन्होंने मेरे को एडमिशन दिया क्योंकि I had shifted from Singapore to India and मेरे को एग्ज़ाम में मुझे कहीं भी एडमिशन नहीं मिल रहा था तो इधर the option was that I had to redo my 9th standard again in CBSE board. So special thanks to sir for admitting me into the school ताकि I got this opportunity. I would like to thank all my teachers जिन्होंने पूरे साल साथ दिया, पढ़ाया, लिखाया, समझाया, and my parents जिन्होंने मोटिवेट करा, and also my friends मस्ती भी करी, पढ़ाई भी करी. Thank you.
Now for second round of award ceremony for grade 3 to grade 6. For grade 3, I would like to call Mishra sir to come on stage and give away the awards.
From grade 3, first is Amaya Badoria. Second is Naksh Murjani.
Thakkar. Now for grade 4, I would like to call Prithvi sir to please come on stage and give away the awards. Okay, lovely sir, please come on stage and give away the awards.
From grade 4, first is Nihaksh Vadokia. Second is Sarthak Verma. Third is Medha Devna.
Now for grade 5, I would like to call Kishan sir, please come on stage and give away the awards.
From grade 5, first is Aradhya. Second is Mahin Patel. And third is Swara Patel.
Now for grade 6, I would like to call Geeta ma'am to please come on stage and give away the awards.
From grade 6, first is Himanshi Kotak. Second is Eli Jadhav. And third is Chavi Suthar. Congratulations to all the awardees, and thank you sir and ma'am for presenting the awards.